Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a positive update on Bitcoin. Already did some sort of an emergency update yesterday evening. That was good. What I said there is that I expected us. I think the price was right here around 28,000. I said what I expected was that we would get some bullish momentum up to this level right here at around 28,700, which I would claim we are still at. And that from there we would actually find resistance. So in this video, while I woke up, I had a good night of sleep to think about it and to internalize what has happened. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about that again, because as you can see on the chart, I think there's some more bullish momentum possible as well. So that's what we'll do, and just in general, I'll do a full overview as well on everything what happened and what to expect. Like today, we have the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell speaking at around 4 o'clock, so in 8 hours from now. 4 o'clock, and that's GMT +1. But if you just go to myfxbook.com, you'll find it there. But we'll do a full overview of what to expect from that, and just in general, like I said, everything you need to know. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals and also receive a trading guide to learn how to really become a trader and how to analyze, as you can also see at the top right there, then check out the pinned comment or the links down in the description, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now into Bitcoin. So it's actually very interesting. I mean, yesterday in the update, we already took a look at the Bitcoin dominance, which is very, very high right now. And this is also interesting. I mean, the dollar strength index over the last couple of days has actually recovered a bit. I would say that it has shifted into somewhat more of a bearish market structure. So that's, in the end, that's bullish for Bitcoin. But most of this bullish momentum, to be fair, really looks like it came from institutional buyers. All right, so it reminds me a lot of moves like these, like this, and even like this. Now, that doesn't say anything about how far we can go, all right? That's really something I think we should judge by the hour. And at some point of time, we will probably find some sort of bearish or bullish confirmation, and then we know for the upcoming 24 hours again what's going to happen. Such confirmation is also very close right now. So the big fundamental drive behind this bullish momentum in my eyes really is the BlackRock ETF filing and everything that has kind of come together for that, right? I mean, we had lawsuits about different cryptos being securities. That already pushed a lot of people to Bitcoin. And now there's actually positive news about Bitcoin itself, so that pushes it up even further. I think that's one of the main reasons why we're seeing this capital inflow right now. But in the end, I mean, it cannot continue going up, and it does look likely that at least Western economies are getting into a recession later this year. So this is bullish momentum, but I would not say we are out of the bear market yet. On the short term, we are at this resistance level right here, around 28,830 to be precise. Right now, the main question is will we break above that? The candle closes in about 15 minutes. So we'll see. If we can break above that, I would argue that we'll get up to 29,200 at first, but we'll probably end up all the way at this major resistance level right here, around 29,700. It's a possibility, but like I said, I do think we would need to get that bullish breakout. Otherwise, what's going to happen is that we, like I said, basically yesterday, otherwise it does look likely that we will get some retracement, at least down to that 28,000, 27,800 level. And then from there, we'll get some bullish momentum. So if from there we still break above 28,800, then we can still get up to 29,700. But if from there we do not get that momentum, we'll just get some more bearish momentum. I will just consolidate here in this area. So a lot depends on whether we break above 28,800 now or not. And then afterwards, we'll get a little bit of a retracement or not. And based on that retracement, we can judge whether it's going to be a minor retracement or whether we are just going to consolidate for a little bit. So I will keep you updated. I mean, at this point of time, a lot of things are not clear. I would say at least something like this is the most likely scenario. So a little bit of a pullback right now is to be expected. But like I said, I mean, I will keep you updated on that. If some sort of an emergency update is needed and necessary later today, I will do that. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.